Hello everyone, and then welcome to another video. Okay, so in this video we'll be solving practice questions. Okay, so we'll be solving exams based practice questions. Okay, so without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. Okay, and then in case you are new here, kindly subscribe, like the video so that it gets pushed to other students who might need this video. Okay, and then share your views in the comment section below. I'll reply to them as soon as possible. Okay, so let's just dive right into this video. Okay, so this tutorial will be based on total resistances. Okay, so we'll be solving questions on what total resistances of circuits. Okay, and then we'll build it up to a certain level, right? So let's take the first example, right? So for this example, we have to find what the total resistance in this circuit. Okay, so now let's see. From here, you can notice that we have a short circuit. Okay, so from my first video, you will recall that I stated that whenever you have a short circuit, it means that the circuit will be short. Okay, or it means that that short circuit diverges all current passing through the circuit onto itself. Okay, so it limits certain portion of the circuit. Okay, so from here you can notice that the 4 ohm, okay, and the 5 ohm have been what short circuited. That's right, because whenever the current is moving from what the V, okay, whenever it gets towards this point, the current will just move from this point to this point, and then it means that no current will pass through what the 4 ohm and then the 5 ohm resistors. Okay, so it means that what the 4 ohm and the 5 ohm resistors have what short circuited, so they are being omitted. Okay, it means that this portion of the circuit has been omitted. Okay, so now let's proceed. So we are left with what this portion of the circuit. Okay, so we are left with this portion of the circuit. Okay, so from V to what AB, right? So because 4 ohm and what 5 ohm have been what short circuited. Now let's proceed. We can notice that the 3 ohm and the 2 ohm are in what parallel. Okay, 2 ohm and what 3 ohm are in what parallel, and then that definitely be in what series with this 1 ohm. Okay, but let's solve for this first. Okay, so we have what 2 by what 3 divided by what 2 plus 3, and that will give us what 6 on 5 ohm, or what 1.2 ohm. Now this same resistor, okay, will be in what series with this 1 ohm resistor. So we have what this circuit being this form. Okay, it will be just reduced, okay, to this form. So we have our V, and then 1 ohm, and then we have what 6 on 5. This will give us what 1 plus 1.2 ohm and 2.2 ohm, okay, as our final answer. Let's move on to the second question. Yes, so let's take a look at this second question. Okay, so from here we'll notice that what 4 ohm, okay, and then the 6 ohm are in what most definitely they are in parallel, because when we traversed, okay, when we traverse through this, we will notice that we didn't meet any other element, okay, apart from the 4 ohm and the 6 ohm, right? So we know that what 4 ohm will be what in parallel with what 6 ohm. Okay, so that will give us what 6 by 4, okay, divided by 4 plus 6. Okay, so when you compute this, you will end up with what 2.4 ohm. Okay, so this means that we would have to what redraw this circuit. Okay, so let's try redrawing the circuit. Right, so this is how the redrawn circuit will look like. Okay, so now from here you can notice that this 3 ohm and what 2.4 ohm are in what series. Okay, because the same current will pass through them, right? Now, so since they are in series, we have what 3 plus what 2.4, okay, and this will give us what? 5.4 ohm. Okay, they are in series, right? So let's proceed now. So this will be what? The total resistance for those two what? For resistor 3 ohm and what? Resistor 2.4 ohm. Now let's proceed. So from here you can notice that once we know that the 3 and 2.4 ohm are what? In series, most definitely that resistor will be in what? In parallel with this 4 ohm resistor. Okay, so from here to this point, okay, we are talking about this entire portion of the circuit. Okay, so we have what? The 4 ohm being what? In parallel with what? The 5.4 ohm. Okay, it will be in what? Parallel. Okay, because this and this will be in series. 3 ohm and 2.4 ohm will be in series, means that whatever answer you get for that will most definitely be in what? Parallel with the 4 ohm. Okay, so we have what? 4 multiplying what? 5.4, okay, divided by what? 4 plus 5.4. okay, and this will give us what? When you compute this, you end up with let's see, we have what? 2.298 ohm. Okay, 2.298 ohm. Now let's proceed. Let's reduce this circuit further. Okay, so we have what? 1 ohm still intact. Okay, and then the 2.29 ohm we just calculated with 3.3 what? Ohm. Okay, so we have what? 3.3 ohm. We have what? 1 ohm, right? And then we have what? 2.298 ohm. Okay, so from here same thing applies. The 1 ohm and the 2.298 ohm will be in what? Series. That's right. So we have what? 1 plus what? 2.298 ohm giving us what? 3.298 ohm. Okay, so most definitely you've just guessed. Okay, you've guessed it. Means that this 3.298 ohm would definitely be in what? Parallel with what? The 3.3 ohm. Okay, so let's proceed. We have what? The 3.3 ohm will now be in what? Parallel. Okay, with the 3.298 ohm. Okay, so let's find the final answer. Okay, so we have what? 3.3 times what? 3.298. okay, divided by 3.3 plus what? 3.298. okay, so when you compute this on your calculator, you end up with what? A certain resistor, total resistance of what? 1.65 ohms. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this tutorial video. Okay, yes, you could notice that we've been able to what? Calculate the total resistance or effective resistance of what? Circuits. Okay, so in case you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on your bell icon, okay, or your notification, so that you get access to all uploaded videos, okay, and tutorials. Okay, and then like the video so that the YouTube algorithm could help push it to other students who would like, okay, or would need this video, okay, to sharpen their electrical engineering skills. Okay, ask your questions in the comment section below and then I'll reply to them. Okay, have a lovely day. I will see you in the next video.